All right, so I'm pretty excited about this because here I have an ANCEL, and this is a diagnostic software program and tool to use with outboards. So everybody asks me all the time whenever I plug into engines to read data, what am I using to plug into the engines? And usually I'm using YDIS or CDS G3 or something like that, which is an OEM product for the brand, and it is only available to dealers to hook up to the engines. But with this, they make a Yamaha and a Suzuki one. I'm going to use this one here, which is the Yamaha one. I'm going to open this thing up. We're going to take a look and see what it looks like, so that way you guys can see, what the thing looks like, how it talks to the engine and all that kind of stuff. So that way, if you ever wanted to use something to diagnose your engine for codes or engine hours or any of that stuff, this is the product that would allow you to do that without being a dealership that has the dealer software to talk to your engines. So let's open this up and take a look at what it looks like. It's like we come with a release date, pass, all that kind of stuff, product certification, the different plugs and ports and stuff on here. It also looks like it gives you a setup guide, quick start guide. So unit, plugs in the back. This is a new Android-based 5-inch tablet, which is a new generation portable product specialized for customers. The device inherits the latest technology from ANCEL with various advantages of easy to use, wide model coverage, fast operation, and durable features, which can meet the actual needs of different users. So, looks like you got to power it on, long press the button for 5 seconds, register activation, connect the equipment with power supply and Wi-Fi, collect DP personal center, register, fill in relevant information, and click OK, register successfully. So you basically got to register this. So let's open it up and take a look at it, and then I'll register it. Ooh. This is actually pretty slick. I'm not gonna lie, I like the way this feels. It feels durable. What else we got here? We got the power supply. And then we got our cables to plug it in. What's this here? Okay, so this is the Yamaha. It's got the Yamaha diagnostic port, so that plugs in there. This plugs into the unit. So right there, that'll plug into the unit. And then this will plug into the adapter, which plugs into the engine. All right, that's all self-explanatory. Good to go. Actually, I'm gonna leave this in the package. I like this box. This is actually, I wish it came with a case, but this will definitely do. Okay, got power. I didn't even touch anything and this thing came on. ANCEL. ANCELtech.com. ANCELtech.com. ANCEL. ANCELtech.com. Okay, so I guess I do need to press this power button because it's just cycling. Oh no, there it goes, finally. Boom. Oh no, wait. Got 23. It gives you, that must be the time. Okay. So you got to read all this. I clearly just read all that. So, upgrade. You got to log in. So this does make you do this. So I got to go to the settings and do the Wi-Fi first, I'm guessing. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is on. Turn on the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna skip all this. All right, so I've made an account. I've got that all set up. I'm gonna hit the upgrade. Yeah, I do want to upgrade it. Install the upgrade. Download diagnostic app isn't installed. It says it's good. Where's this? It says something about an SD card. Oh, got an SD card port on the side of it. That's pretty slick. All right, so now that's updated. I'm hitting the DP again. I gotta accept this. All right. What's support? What's in here? Manual. Download. Oh, so this is going to be the manual for the that team viewer. This has a team viewer. So that's the manual, that's the upgrades, that's all the product information. That's pretty slick, but team viewer, I can't believe this is a team viewer. So this is like a screen share. So I guess you could screen share with somebody. Remotely control this device from any computer, even from other mobile devices. Transfer files from this device to your computer or vice versa. That's pretty slick. How to connect this device on any other device, go to blah, 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 blah. It's activating TeamViewer. Let's see if it actually lets me do this. I mean, if so, that'd be pretty slick. Oh, wow, it did. It's working. That's my ID. Oh, my goodness. That's amazing. That's pretty slick. So now I could go to TeamViewer, go to startteamviewer.com, put that in there, and then you can activate, you can log into this from a computer. So like, that's pretty sick. I like that. I'm down with that. So, all right, other than that, I basically need to go find it. I need to go put this onto an engine. Got it hooked up to the engine from the port, come over here, plugged into there. That's it. All right, so I had to upgrade it and then download the Marine Yamaha. So once I get this downloaded, hopefully I'll be able to open the program up. All right, now let's turn the key on and see what happens. Yamaha. Loading data. Diagnostics. Engine. Okay. Communicating. It's got ECU information. Okay, DTC, I don't know what that is. Diagnostic fault codes, scan. No fault codes, diagnostic report. Data stream, value, runtime, RPM. Okay, so it's got 161 hours on it. You got 48 hours from 0 to 1,000, 25.6, 1,000 to 2,000. 28 hours at 2,000 to 3,000, 3.6 hours at 5,000 to 6,000. That's pretty slick. Active tests, I can do the fuel pump. Oh wow, that works. We got quill tests. Idle speed controller tests. You can do a lot with this thing. Direct injection, stored air, non-idle control. I can do a spark test. Injector tests. Alright, so you pretty much test everything with an active test and read the data, live data, engine speed. Okay, so you select all the things that you want to see and then hit OK. Oh wow, and it gives me everything. So engine speed, atmospheric pressure, I can change the KPA, PSI, 12.36 volts, gives you a throttle position value. This is nice. Oh, all of them, okay. Freeze. Oh, I can take screenshots of it and record it. That's nice. All right, so this thing is actually really, really impressive. I am pretty stoked to now have this ANCEL here. This is the MR500, and you guys are probably going to be seeing quite a bit more of it. I'm going to do some more tests with it. I'm going to hook it up to some different engines, and we'll do, you'll probably see a lot more of it, because now whenever I hook up to a Yamaha, I'll probably be using this just because it's going to be very simple. I don't have to get the laptop out. It'll be something more, you know, easier to use. If you own Yamahas and you want something like this, if you got twins or trips or something like that, this is actually a pretty good tool, as well as I believe, I haven't done any testing with this, but I believe I can hook this up to other Yamahas and be able to record stuff. So if you are a mobile tech or something like that, this should be a pretty good tool for you as well. So you'll see a lot more of it on the channel. You'll see more videos about this or using this, so that way as I get more into it and use it more, you'll get more opinions and more views, and I guess you'll get more of an experience, because yeah, this is what it is. I do want to go get a case for it though, because I think I'm going to get like a Pelican case and then just put the foam that's in this into that case. That way I've got a carrying case for it. But this is way easier than having to get out the laptop and carry the laptop onto the boat. And I'll also put a link in the description for it, because there is this one or the Suzuki. I don't know if you can use the same machine for Yamaha and Suzuki. Like I said, I'm going to get a little bit more into it. I just wanted to show you guys what I got and let you know about it before I get really in depth for it. But you'll have all those links in the description, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.